Right about now, the Funk Soul Brother. Check it out now, the Funk Soul Brother. Right about now, the Funk Soul Brother. Check it out now, the Funk Soul Brother.
Yeah, man. You never saw me, right? You know, when my Mercedes in the shop, you know, I got to just keep a low profile, you know. Can't let all the fans, you know, a lot of people, you know, they just want to see me ride through my Benz and then Shabbies, you know, pay your bills, pay your $1,000, you know, $100, pounds, you know, but there's a lot of profile, you know, I don't really, nobody would ever believe how to drive a car like this, you know. So, if you look right there, you know, you look over this side right here, see now that way, it's just a security feature. See, that way nobody can just thief this car, you know, it has distinctive markings, and it's like a tribal mark, you know. Yeah, man, it's deep. There's a plant, man. Yeah, you know. It's going on, you know, this is my gym, you know, this is where I work out. Get myself in shape so that, you know, I look good for the wives, you know. Hit me. Look around, see my treadmills, flat screen again, arm weights, you know. Now this is a lot of people think this is an exercise bar. Now that's a football, you know. But just a bigger size to help, you know. I was telling Whitmar that, you know, make the reggae bars change with that bar, give them better control. If you can control that bar, you can control anything, you know. Yeah, you know. It's the skills, you know. Punching bag, I remember with Mike Tyson, you know, he used to come up here, he used to punch a bag, I used to Mike, you know. You're vicious, man. You keep punching like that, you're gonna punch pop somebody's face, man. And Mike like, hey, man. That's what I do, you know, that's what I do. I'm living, you know.
Who are you got? Who is you, man? How you get past the security? Huh?
Yeah, you know, cause I have some dogs. You see, I don't know my dogs yet. You know, so it's amazing. You see, he don't know that I know the dogs already. You know, that's why he's saying he's behaving like this. You know, but you know, I know them. You know, and I just, you know, cause I have a woosa, I just, you know, the dogs, and now they just automatically adapt. Yeah, man, give me my usual, man.
What is your usual, man? It's the first time I've seen you.
Yeah, the first time he saw me since this morning. You know, since this morning. You know, but
I might have to call security, man. I'm gonna have to probably.
No, I know the dogs, man. I know. Nah, you had a long day, you know, so you're a bit stressed out. You don't really understand what he's saying, man. But you know, hey, man, what's going on, man? You see, everything, you see? Yeah, everybody, I know everybody, you know, so you just stressed out, you know? Yeah, man. Check out my beach, man. Yeah, man, you know, here's my beach, you know. Big hot day, see the beach shop, beautiful, you know, all the waters and the sands and the waves coming in, you know. Yeah, you know, these are my special beach furnitures, you know. Made from a special type of material, you know. This is no regular lumber, you know. It's made from a tempered material from a Sakaya plant, you know, Sakaya tree, you know. These are made from the same material they used to insulate nuclear submarine, you know. Bulletproof, missile-proof, lobster-proof, and over here, got a mattress, you know, mattress outside, you know. Made of special inflammable material, you know. You can't just light it on fire, you know. And this is a different type of lumber as well. You know, that lumber, you know, is made from a piece of the ark. You know, Noah's ark. When they found the ark, you know, and they took a pieces of the lumber from Noah's ark and they say, Chavez, you know, you made such a huge contribution to pop culture and music that, you know, least we can do, you know. I remember I was on tour with Linkin Park, you know, and Eminem called me and said, look, man, Jay-Z wants you to come over. We're having a big party. And I said, well, I don't know. P. Diddy told me that he's flying to Europe and he wants me to meet this artist. He thinks he's going to sign him, but he's not sure, you know. Same time, Don Corleone, Scatter, you know, working on some big reggae project in Jamaica, and they wanted me to come by and approve some new mixes, you know, with this new bar that they got from Quincy Jones based off my recommendation, you know. So I don't know, man. Polo the Don and Pharrell always come over here and kick back. We talk a lot of music, you know.
You can't touch this.
Yeah, man.
You can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this.
Living, you know. So I'm just chilling here by my bar, by my cool travel, you know. Overlooking Portland, you know, balling. Maybe you one day, y'all too can live like Chavez, you know. Write some big charm, come up with some innovative ideas, you know. You can do it, man. You can do it. Nah, I'm kidding, man. Just give up. It'll never happen, man.
Hit it! Na 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 na.